Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you make Hearts of Iron Roman 4 run faster, even in late game. Start by opening your game's settings menu. Prioritize reducing all graphical options like resolution and texture quality. Turning off fancy visual effects, such as anti-aliasing and anisotropic filtering, provides a noticeable performance boost. Also, limit the number of visible division icons on the map. It genuinely helps reduce the processing load. These initial adjustments are your first crucial step to a smoother experience. Many performance issues stem directly from community-made content. Go into the Paradox launcher and meticulously deselect any mods you aren't actively using for your current playthrough. Even small cosmetic mods can add overhead. Always launch HOI4 through the official launcher to ensure proper file loading and to avoid conflicts. Outdated or poorly coded mods often introduce significant lag, so regularly check for updates or remove them. This simple cleanup can vastly improve your game's speed. Beyond in-game settings, your system's health matters immensely. Keep your graphics card drivers fully updated to ensure optimal performance. Also, close any demanding background programs, like web browsers or other games, before starting HOI4. Installing the game on an SSD rather than a traditional hard disk drive makes a huge difference. This significantly speeds up loading times and the game's overall responsiveness, especially during the processor-intensive late-game phases. For more advanced optimization, you can directly edit your game files. Locate the settings. TXT file in your HOI4 user directory and adjust values like shadows and treelod to their lowest settings. Adding DX9 to your Steam launch options forces the game to use an older, often faster DirectX version. Lowering save game compression, though increasing file size, can reduce the CPU load during autosaves. These specific changes target deeper performance bottlenecks effectively. Don't forget to regularly clear your Hearts of Iron Roman 4 cache folder. This removes accumulated temporary data that can slow things down. During very late game situations with many units, voluntarily dropping the game speed from 5 to 4 can prevent significant slowdowns and stuttering. If you've tried everything else, look into well-vetted community performance mods, which can sometimes provide further improvements. Enjoy a smoother, more responsive HOI4 experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.